Hey friends, welcome to CyberSkills99 YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explain Apache Spark Unauthenticated Command Injection RCE, CVE-2022-33891, and walk you through it step-by-step manner. Disclaimer. Vulnerability information about Apache Spark Unauthenticated Command Injection RCE. The Apache Spark UI offers the possibility to enable ACLs via the configuration option spark.acls.enable. With an authentication filter, this checks whether a user has access permissions to view or modify the application. If ACLs are enabled, a code path in HTTP security filter can allow someone to perform impersonation by providing an arbitrary username. A malicious user might then be able to reach a permission check function that will ultimately build a Unix shell command based on their input, and execute it. This will result in arbitrary shell command execution as the user Spark is currently running as. This affects Apache Spark versions 3.0.3 and earlier, versions 3.1.1 to 3.1.2, and versions 3.2.0 to 3.2.1. Now the time for proof of concept, POC. We hope you enjoyed this proof of concept POC video. Thank you for watching. Please give the videos a like, subscribe, and spread the video.